Hey guys, welcome back to Let's Take. It's your boy Luca, and today we're going to check out some iPhone 11 Pro cases. I want to give a big shout out to EasyAcc for sending these out for me to review. I'm going to leave a link in the description for the products. But yeah, let's begin with the video, guys. So these are the protection bundles. So it comes with a protective case as well as a screen protector. I've got one is a tempered one and one should be a silicone version. But yeah, let's open both of them up and see how they are inside. So we've got a wipe alcoholic cleaning stickers, a feedback, help if you need help to contact them. It's always nice. We've got the phone case in separate pieces. Pull it out. So it's a nice black silicone. Yeah, it looks nice. We've got a fabric inside as well, which is good. Cut out and everything. Let's just put this on. I always like going volume rocker in first. Let's do that. Fits nicely. Get a nice size fit. The cutout is great as well, as you can see. Buttons all works fine. That's good. Can I reach the volume rocker? Yep, it's fine. So let's just take this case off. Put that to the side a bit. And in here we've got a screen protector. So let's just have a look at that. So you've got an instruction here how to put it on and everything, which we already know. And we've got a screen protector here. So this is a standard screen protector. So the screen protector is a standard one. It's not the one that goes to edge. So this, you have that little gap, which I really don't like. But for the price of 15 euros, you really can't complain. You're getting the case and a screen protector. But yeah, let's have a look at this one. So let's open it up. So in here we've got another cleaning wipe, so that's always nice. We've got a little feedback guide, help guide, so if you want to reach out to them you can do that. I'm going to leave a link to these in the description, guys. If you do want to check them out, do check them out. It's a steal for the price. We've got another screen protector here. Let's check that if it's the same one. This date it was the same one. It's only for the iPhone 11 Max. You're getting edge-to-edge screen protector, which is good, but for this one it's going to be sad. Yep, it's the same one. But yeah, it's the same one. So now I've got two, which is always nice. In case it breaks, I can always replace it. And let's have a look at the case here. So this is a transparent, so this is the transparent case. Really nice and sleek. Nothing too fancy here. But let's put this in my phone. It's got a nice fit, so it does not come over the edge here, so you're not going to get screen protector first, but that's why you've got your screen protector to protect the front. But yeah, you can see the gold color here. You can see the gold is really nice. But yeah, the buttons, everything works fine. Volume rocker, yep, it's reachable, so that's good. You've got your cutout for your lighting and everything here, which is nice, and the camera cutout is fine. It does cover the back of the lenses, so that is good, but it does not cover the front here. But yeah, but for the price with the free screen protector, I really can't complain, guys. I'm going to leave a link in the description, so do check it out, guys. But yeah, let's take this off. So guys, so you get a screen protector and a case, or you can go for the silicone one. For 15 euros, guys, it's really a great price, guys. I'm going to leave a link in the description, and I'm going to do one for the iPhone 11 Max as well, so make sure you stick around for that. But yeah, these for the price, you can't really go wrong here. So yeah, guys, as you saw, the cases are really nice. It's got this nice filtered, and you get the screen protector, which is really nice. So you get in this bundle pack, and for the price, they are really great, guys. I'm going to leave all the link in the description. Do check them out. I'm loving it. I'm going to keep it. I'm going to see how it goes. But yeah, if you got any question, make sure you just leave them in the comment section. But as always, guys, thanks for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Take care.